4.1 Introduction for Reactions. Topic overview. Matter is material that occupies space and contains mass. Matter can be organized in many ways, and it can undergo physical and chemical changes. A heterogeneous mixture has visibly distinguishable parts. A homogeneous mixture is visibly indistinguishable parts. A pure substance has a constant composition. It can be a compound or an element. A compound can be broken down into elements by chemical processes. An element cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical or physical means. Physical changes. A physical property of a substance changes without changing the composition of a substance. There are several types of physical changes that can take place. State changes are physical changes. Particles moving from solid to liquid to gas only change their position relative to one another. Nothing about the actual particle itself changes. You should be familiar with the names of the different state changes as shown in the diagram at the left. Separating a mixture is a physical change. Filtration, distillation, and chromatography all separate a mixture based on a physical property of the substances in the mixture. Making a solution is an example of a physical change. If the solution is run through a distillation setup, for example, the substances in the solution can easily be separated based on physical properties of the substances in the solution. Deformation is a physical change in a substance. Cutting, denting, tearing, and stretching are all physical changes. Even though if something is cut, dented, torn, or stretched, it often cannot be put back together whole. The key feature of a physical change is that the atoms are not rearranged. So while most physical changes are reversible, some are not able to be reversed because of physical properties of the substance. Chemical changes. A chemical property of a substance changes. Bonds are broken between atoms and new bonds are formed. Evidence of a chemical reaction include the following: unexpected color change, light emitted, temperature change, formation of a precipitate, sound produced, production of gas, bubbles. Chemical changes are often very difficult, if not impossible, to reverse. The different types of chemical reactions will be discussed in greater detail in topics 4.7 and 4.8, and physical and chemical changes will be discussed further in topic 4.4.